gotta tell you, I love this generator, and there's two reasons why. One is it'll hook up with the attachment they gave you to propane fuel, so you can get about 7 hours out of that. And it has, you know, and here's the hookup on it. You have that option to plug it in. It's really easy. It's a slip collar. Get in there. You close that off when you want to use the gas, which gets you longer running time. But it has auto start, so all you got to do is hit the power, turn the power on, hit the push button, pull the choke out. And there's the Champion generator. Right, you turn the starter off, show the power rate, drain that battery. It's got an econo mode, off to on. Runs beautiful. One of the best generators I've ever experienced. And here's the thing, right? That's used. Come on over here. Keep me in the picture. Keep me in the picture.
Yep.
Come on over here. That's used to power this Catalina 33-footer, mine.
Mm.
It has AC, TV, and microwave oven. That generator does all that. And for the price, you cannot beat it. Thanks. Hit the button again.